just getting started.
Oh, I love you, Ken.
Cleaning the pool.
How you doing?
Hey, what's going on, Trav?
I'm blister free today. I worked very hard.
Yes, you did.
And I walked 8.46 miles. How many did you do?
Hon, did you get a blister?
I'm at 7.5.
And I did 17,697
I got
steps.
hurt.
But I think it's
got
because you got
hurt.
some steps from pounding.
I did 1,420 calories, 116 minutes of exercise.
All by sitting down.
I have 16,601 steps. I've walked 737 miles.
730 miles?
7 miles and 37 miles. 7.37 miles, and I've climbed 29 flights of stairs.
Woo! Look at you go, Shar. Now, Trevor said he didn't get a blister today. Is that correct?
Nope, Trevor has a blister. I'm blister free.
Yeah, right in the middle of my
Wow.
Now we
Did
know
you
where
wear
you get the
gloves?
blisters from.
palm. I got it from the pounder.
Really? Now, I did the pounder, and I didn't get a blister.
Yeah.
I
So you guys
also did the
need-
pounder and
Since you
I
guys
did.
do the powder, you guys each need to take a mile off your. Now you can do the song. Work, work, work. Hard at work.
Yeah. Isn't that a pretty design?
Yep.
There are cinnamon rolls and pretzels and drinks. You name it, they've got it. So they've got lots of pretzels here, which we are so cute in here. So I don't know if you can see the pretzel or the cinnamon rolls. They are massive. And they just came out. I'm so excited. They don't do pretzels or beignets until 10 because they let them rise. That's the one amazing thing about Thirst is everything is made fresh. So nothing is frozen. Everything is, like I said, fresh, amazing. Those are, oh my gosh, they look amazing. Coconut or vanilla and fresh lime. And Trevor gets the Death Star, which is Dr. Pepper, blackberry, coconut. And then Millie gets grapefruit own, which is Dr. Pepper, coconut, vanilla, and coconut cream.
Oh, Jessica.
No, because you
Oh,
made
Jessica.
it.
Oh, Jessica. Or is it Huston?
Is it good?
Yeah.
Right. Did some Christmas shopping. I think we hit the mother load.
sand? I got your solution. Perm sand. Cracks in your cement? Perm sand. Cracks in your house? Perm sand. There's nothing perm sand can't fix.
Pizza night at Grandma and Grandpa and Trav and Jess's.
We had some extra one.
So excited! So this is my Mother's Day gift. Going to see Bill Engvall. I am so excited. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Here's your sign.
Yep, here's your sign. So excited. So, we're taking the elevator, and my in-laws are taking the stairs. It's too hard for me. But I got my man. Now their hot cocoa is supposed to be amazing. And French.
I had to take Gail's dog to the vet because he's allergic to grass. Like a bird being allergic to air. And I'm waiting in line, but there's an old lady in front of me with her dog, and I hear the vet tell her, give your dog one pill twice a day. She said, how do I give him the same pill twice a day? I said, you shove it down his throat, run to the other end, and wait. Here's your sign.
But now we're decorating them.
What are you going to decorate them with?
With frosting, decorating sprinkles, and M&Ms, and that thing. Are you seriously going to do that right now?
It's the love.
It's not Valentine's yet. I guess cookies can. I guess Thanksgiving and Valentine's. She really can sing.
Yeah, she's a Hawaii's Sunlight angel.
Hey, what are we discussing?
We're discussing about Corbin's old crush.
Ooh. Look at the cookies they made.
I need
Which
that
one's
one.
your favorite? Let's see. Turn it around
This
so we
is
can see it.
mine. This is my favorite one. It's cute.
Which one's your favorite, CJ? All that. All of them? Yeah. Well, which one's your favorite? Is? I don't know.
Mine. Oh, Mama. Let me show you my favorite one.
You guys made a lot of cookies.
This one's my favorite.
Oh, you got your new
The
plate.
gummy.
I will make this one and
What are you guys playing?
yeah,
No, what are you playing?
Bye-bye.
Smash Brothers.
That was a close one, people. It was a close one, Millie. Go Utes! Woo! Okay, we had so much fun in St. George. What was your favorite thing?
I got a battle wound.
Yep, he does. What was your favorite thing? Doing favors. What about you, bud? All of it? Just being with family? Now we had fun.
My favorite thing was Millie's joke.
I don't know why you like the comedian guys. All they do is like, oh, there's poop on the floor.
Yep, she was
Hi,
making
Millie.
fun of me because I love Bill Engvall, and that was one of my favorite things.
Here's your sign.
Yep, here's your sign. So we had the best time. We love St. George, and we will
video, what should they do?
Like, subscribe,
That's right. Thanks, guys.